Have you ever noticed that some people keep fixing the same motorbike again and again, even when it's old, unreliable, and they can afford a new one? So what's really going on here? Is it just about money? Or is there a deeper psychology? Today we're exploring the psychology keep repairing the same motorbike and over. And the truth is, this isn't just a mechanical, psychological pattern driven by emotions and mental biases. The first and most powerful reason is emotional attachment, because for many people, a motorbike isn't just a machine, it represents memories, like their first bike or something they bought with their first salary. So when it breaks down, they don't just see a broken object, they feel like they're losing a part of their story, and instead of letting it go, they keep fixing it again and again. The second reason is control and comfort. As people become deeply familiar with their old bike, they know every sound and every issue, while a new bike brings uncertainty and new learning. And for many people, that discomfort makes them stick to what they already know and keep repairing it. Another strong reason is the sunk cost fallacy, where a person thinks that they've already spent much time and money on the bike that they can't give up on it now, even if buying a new one would be cheaper, because it's no longer about logic, it's about not wanting their past effort wasted. For some people, their bike becomes part of their identity. They feel proud that they maintained it themselves, and every repair feels like an achievement. So over time, the bike becomes more than just a machine. It becomes a reflection of who they are. There is also a financial mindset behind this behavior, as some people are raised to believe in repairing, so even if they can afford something new, they still choose to fix the old one because it feels more responsible and less wasteful. But the reality is that not every repair is a smart decision, because sometimes emotions and habits take over logic, and in the long run, it can cost more time, money, and energy. So next time you see someone fixing the same motorbike again and again, remember, it's not just about the bike, it's about emotions, identity, and psychology. And if you're that person, ask yourself, are you fixing the bike or holding on to something deeper?